Veronica, fuck yeah, come out to save the motherfucking day. She's finished all her strange shit for the second time. Now she's going back to America. We may never see her again, maybe. I don't know. Would that be the case? We get some passion pop and I will go to the beach. Nice.
Yeah.
So even when we got the light coming from
yeah, like look at that. I'll just...
No, you've got to go that way.
Like you can't see, like.
Look through.
Come closer. You can't see anything.
Oh, sorry. Oh my god, I'm gonna wet myself. That was so funny. It was literally you.
Nah, you can't see a thing. Deep breath. Look at that.
I'm not doing the straw, man. That's cruel. Yeah. What else is there? We're gonna be here a while, but yeah. I'm all out. Can I have some beer?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing? Checking me out? What about it, huh?